find with first graders that it's great to explicitly model what to do with different projects. So what I have us all on the perimeter of the rug in a science circle, and I'm going to model how to make a model of the moon. Okay, Kaden, will you hold this and kind of look at the model there? Okay. So boys and girls, you're going to have tomorrow on your desk as morning work some modeling clay. And the first thing you want to do is you want to roll it around in your hands until you've made a ball or sphere shape. So that's going to be your moon. Now, we learned as we were reading that the moon has craters. So big meteors, these are the meteors, your pencil eraser. Big meteors are going to fly through space and hit the moon. Meow. And they're going to make little holes right inside the moon. So let's go ahead and make some craters in our moon. So here's our meteors hitting the Earth. The moon. The poor moon. I bet that really hurt.
If it hit the Earth, the whole Earth will be exploded already.
Yeah, so here we go. Now, we also learned as we were reading that the moon has mountains. So now I'm going to take my two pincher fingers. Show me your pincher fingers, please. And I'm going to pinch up little sections of my moon Play-Doh so that now I'm making some sections with ridges and mountains as well.
The moon has more mountains than any other.
Once your moon has both mountains and craters, you're going to actually seal it in a plastic bag. We're going to put your name on the back because we're going to be using this model later in the lesson to talk about how the moon moves around the Earth. All right? Okay, any questions about how to make this model tomorrow morning as your morning work? Questions? Peyton?
What if you get Play-Doh on your eraser, and then when you erase after something, then you...
So how could you solve that problem? If you get Play-Doh on your eraser, what could you do?
Brush it off.
Get a new one, sure.
Use your hands.
Okay, Asaya?
What if we forget what to do?
Okay, what will you do? Because this isn't going to happen till tomorrow morning. So what if you come in tomorrow, you have a crazy night, and you don't know what to do? How could you solve that problem, Asaya?
Ask a partner. Ask somebody if they remember.
Thank you. Ask somebody else at your table. Thank you. I'll also leave this one out, Asaya. I'll leave it in the middle of the room next to the science bin. So if you forget, you'll also be able to look at mine. Okay, boys and girls.